Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Hashtag introduction to risc-v and Java. Risc-v, Reduced Instruction Set Computing, 5, is an open standard instruction set architecture, ISA, that is gaining popularity for its simplicity, modularity, and extensibility. It allows for easier experimentation and customization compared to proprietary ISAs. Java, on the other hand, is a high-level programming language that runs on the Java Virtual Machine, JVM. The JVM abstracts hardware details, allowing Java code to run on any platform that has a compatible JVM. Hashtag risc-v and Java, bridging the gap. While Java is typically compiled to bytecode for the JVM, there are projects that aim to make Java compatible with risc-v hardware. This can be particularly useful for embedded systems, IoT devices, or educational purposes. One such project is the risc-v port of openjdk. Hashtag setting up your environment. 1. Install risc-v toolchain. You need a risc-v compiler toolchain to compile Java code to run on risc-v architecture. You can use the GNU risc-v toolchain, which includes the compiler and necessary tools. 2. Install openjdk. Download and build openjdk for risc-v. You can find the risc-v port of openjdk on GitHub or other repositories. 3. Set up an emulator or board. If you're not working with actual risc-v hardware, you can use an emulator like QEMU to simulate a risc-v environment. Hashtag writing a simple Java program. Let's write a simple Java program that will run on risc-v architecture. This example will demonstrate a basic Hello World application. Hashtag Step 1, create the Java program. Create a file named hello-risc-v.java. Hashtag Step 2, compile the Java program. Once you've installed the risc-v openjdk, compile the Java program using the following command. This will generate a hello-risc-v.class file, which contains the bytecode for your Java program. Hashtag Step 3, run the program on risc-v. You can run your compiled Java program using the risc-v JVM. If you're using QEMU to emulate risc-v, you would typically run a command like this. This command tells the JVM to run the hello risc-v class, and you should see the output. Hashtag example, simple arithmetic operations. Let's extend our example to include a simple arithmetic operation. Hashtag Step 1, create the Java program. Create a new file named arithmetic-risc-v.java. Hashtag Step 2, compile the program. Compile the program using. Hashtag Step 3, run the program. Run the compiled program using the risc-v JVM. You should see the output. Hashtag conclusion. This tutorial provided an introduction to running Java on risc-v architecture. While the example was basic, it illustrates the process of writing, compiling, and running Java programs on a risc-v environment. Hashtag further steps. 1. Explore risc-v assembly. Understanding risc-v assembly language can deepen your knowledge of how Java bytecode interacts with the underlying architecture. 2. Look into libraries. Investigate existing libraries that can be used with Java on risc-v, especially for embedded systems. 3. Experiment with more complex programs. Try creating more complex Java applications that utilize various features of the language and observe their performance on risc-v. Hashtag resources. Risc-v Foundation, https://riscv.org. openjdk risc-v port, https://github.com/risc-v-collab/risc-v-openjdk. GNU risc-v tool chain, https://github.com/risc-v/risc-v-new-tool chain. This tutorial should give you a foundational understanding of running Java on risc-v happy coding.